Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix lag and stuttering issues in OBS Studio while recording or streaming on your PC. We'll optimize several OBS settings and make a few Windows adjustments to help improve your recording and streaming performance. For the best results, I recommend following every step in this tutorial. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. Click File, then select Settings. Open the Output tab. Change the output mode from Simple to Advanced. Under the Streaming section, locate Video Encoder. If you have a dedicated NVIDIA graphics card, select the NVIDIA NVENC encoder. If you have an older or less powerful graphics card, you can try X264, which uses your processor instead. Next, under Encoder Settings, make sure Rate Control is set to CBR. Now we need to choose the correct bitrate. Open your web browser and go to speedtest.net. Run a speed test and pay attention to your upload speed. If your upload speed is 8 megabits per second or higher, return to OBS and set your bitrate to 3,500 kilobits per second for smooth 1080p streaming. If your upload speed is lower than 8 megabits per second, reduce the bitrate accordingly. Next, change the keyframe interval to 2. For the preset option, you can leave it on slow for better quality. However, if you're experiencing lag or stuttering, try changing it to medium or better performance to reduce the workload on your computer. Step 2. Optimize the recording settings. Now click on the Recording tab. Change the recording format from MKV to MP4. MP4 files are smaller, widely supported, and easier to upload and edit. For the video encoder, once again choose NVIDIA NVENC if you have a compatible graphics card. Otherwise, select X264. Under Encoder Settings, set Rate Control to CBR. Set the bitrate to 15,000 kilobits per second. Then change the keyframe interval to 2 seconds. Step 3. Adjust the video settings. Open the Video tab. Make sure the base canvas resolution matches your monitor's native resolution. If you don't know your monitor's resolution, right-click your desktop and select Display Settings. Under Display Resolution, you'll see your monitor's native resolution. Use that same resolution in OBS. Next, set the downscale filter to bicubic. Finally, change the common FPS values to 60 FPS for smoother recordings and streams. Step 4. Change the process priority. Click the Advanced tab. Locate Process Priority. Change it from Normal to Above Normal. Click Apply. Then click OK to save all your changes. Step 5. Set OBS Studio to High Performance. Open the Start menu and search for Settings. Open Settings. Select System, then click Display. Scroll down and open Graphics. Click Browse. Navigate to the OBS installation folder. By default, it's located in C. Program Files. OBS Studio, bin. 64-bit. Select obs64.exe and click Add. Once OBS appears in the list, click Options. Select High Performance. This ensures Windows always uses your dedicated graphics card when running OBS Studio. That's all there is to it. After completing these steps, OBS Studio should run much more smoothly, reducing lag and stuttering while recording or streaming. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more OBS Studio tutorials, Windows tips, and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.